utilizar. Hey guys, welcome back to the second video about the brand new Galaxy S9 Plus top tips and tricks. This video also includes the feature that I really love in this amazing phone, so let's get started. The best trick in functionality is the surrounding lights that show up on the edges and looks very cool when someone calls you or some notification is attached to it. To do that, go to settings, edge lighting, and you can do a lot of customization on it as well, like you can change the overall effect, transparency, and specific color you want to show. Trust me when I say this, you can actually brag the hell out of the phone if you have this feature in it and you're into that kind of stuff. The next favorite trick and functionality is something so advanced that I'm completely amazed by it. Let me break it down for you guys. If you go to a cinema theater and watch a movie, or if you have an advanced sound system or a home theater system, then you know that there are a bunch of speakers which are meant to output certain types of sound which will make you feel like you're inside the movie. Until now, this was only possible in complex and expensive sound system with receivers. With that being said, Galaxy S9 has this system built in, where if you connect a Bluetooth sound system with all the required speakers to this phone, and there is a video that has the required data in it, it'll give you exactly the same kind of output as a high-priced sound receiver. This has all the advanced features of controlling the sound, and I am just blown away by how far this tiny handheld device has come. I might do a tutorial on this feature at some point, but for now, let's move on. Next is another similar advanced feature in the camera. It's called Pro. You can scroll left or right to reach it. This is where you control all the camera features from ISO, exposure, white balance, and color tone, etc. Basically, this makes the camera in this phone similar to a camera in a DSLR. With that being said, here are all the pictures that were taken with this phone at different settings. Next tip and tricks option is the multi-windows feature. Before we get to it, you can click on the button to show all the open apps. You can also change how you see all these apps by going to the settings option on the top right and changing it to the list view. Then you can simply click on the burger looking stack option and it'll open the app on the top section of the screen. Then you simply click on the other app that you want to open at the same time and it'll open at the bottom half of the screen. Next tip and feature is the Edge panel option. Go to the display, choose Edge panel. This is another shortcut panel that will show up when you swipe in from the right corner, and you can customize it to show a bunch of different app shortcuts or the multi-window combo, etc. Next is the one-hand feature. You go to settings, advanced features, and one-handed feature. This, when activated, will bring the entire screen closer to one side of the phone, which you can switch according to what your needs are afterwards. This might not be a useful feature for the smaller version of the phone, but for the S9 Plus, it is definitely needed. The last tip is about finger scanner gesture. It is at a similar stage as the 3D touch option for iPhone when it was just launched. All you can currently do with this is that you can bring the settings panel, which might be easier to do with on-screen gestures. But hopefully soon you will be able to find much more useful things out of it. And that's all I have for this video. Make sure you check me out on all these social medias as well. Until the next one, this is Shujat from TechJockeyHD. Peace out.